In this video, I'm going to show you how to make easy passive income with Ember Fund. Welcome to my Ember Fund review and tutorial. Today I'll guide you through how to earn passive income with Ember Fund without spending a dime. Ember Fund is a mobile app that allows you to earn cryptocurrency for free through their unique mining system. Let's get started. First, download the Ember Fund app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. To start earning for free, follow these steps. Navigate to the Earn tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find the option to start mining. Tap on Start Mining. This will activate the free Bitcoin mining feature. The app uses your phone's processing power to mine Bitcoin in the background. Don't worry, it won't drain your battery or data. Every 24 hours, you need to come back to the app and tap Start Mining again to keep earning. Now, let's dive deeper into how you can maximize your earnings with Ember Fund. One of the best ways to increase your earnings is by inviting friends to join Ember Fund. Each time a friend signs up using your referral code, you'll both receive a bonus in Bitcoin. So if you want to start with a bonus on Ember Fund, please check the link in the description for my code, and it will also be displayed on the screen. Another way to earn extra Bitcoin is through the Daily Rewards section. Here, you can earn small amounts of Bitcoin by completing simple tasks. These tasks include watching short videos, participating in surveys, and exploring partner offers. Make sure to check this section daily to take full advantage of these opportunities. Learning about cryptocurrency or participating in community events. Completing these quests not only boosts your earnings, but also helps you learn more about the world of crypto. Another way to earn Bitcoin is by using your Satoshis in the minigame section. Please note that gambling carries risk, and I do not recommend it. Play at your own discretion. If you're interested in gambling, there's another feature you might want to check out. In the Predictions tab, you can bet your Satoshis on a variety of sports betting games to potentially win even more Satoshis. Remember, always gamble responsibly and understand the risks involved. Lastly, Ember Fund offers tournaments where you can compete against other users to earn even more Bitcoin. In the Tournaments tab, you'll find various competitions that you can join. These tournaments often have different tasks or goals, and the top performers can win significant Bitcoin prizes. Participating in these tournaments is a fun and engaging way to boost your earnings while challenging yourself and improving your skills. Although this tutorial focuses on earning for free, it's worth mentioning that you can also learn about cryptocurrency investment strategies through Ember Fund's portfolio rebalancing feature. While this involves investing your own money, understanding these strategies can be beneficial if you decide to invest in the future. Security tips. Since you'll be earning and storing cryptocurrency, it's crucial to keep your account secure. Enable two-factor authentication in the settings to add an extra layer of security. Also, make sure to use a strong and unique password for your Ember Fund account. The reason I'm telling you this is because I almost got hacked this morning. That's it. By following these steps and taking advantage of all the features Ember Fund offers, you can start earning passive income with Ember Fund for free. Remember to check the app daily to maximize your earnings. If you want to earn more with free crypto, check out the video on the top, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to share it with others so they can start earning too. Thanks for watching and happy mining.